southeastern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until midnight. At 11:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reedsburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Reedsburg, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Delton, and Long Vale. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park and Kilbourne Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA